Hi, we're Tom and Sean from Sound Records. The local music scene's been ravaged by COVID, and we can't guarantee it's going to be here in the same form when we come out of all of this.
The Prince Albert is one of the key venues in our community, and we wanted to support Lottie and Miles to do what they've always done, and that is promote local music.
We've got some amazing acts on board, from ambient electronica to glitchy hip-hop, extensive line notes and a full colour sleeve.
We're printing just 500 copies of this on vinyl, so when they're gone, they're gone.
So get yourself a copy and pat yourself on the back for supporting local music.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So let's have a listen.
Invisible systems, invisible systems, visible systems, invisible systems.
Hi, I'm Miles.
And I'm Lottie.
And we're from the Prince Albert.
Prince Albert is a pub just outside Stroud where we play lots of music and we love musicians and bands.
We're very grateful to be a part of what Sound Records are doing with the album, and hopefully you can give them as much support as you can with this project. There's a great bunch of musicians going to be involved in it, and it's going to be a fantastic album. We're really looking forward to being a part of it, and we're really looking forward to opening our doors to you again sometime.
And bringing live music back to Stroud.